Now I calculate the total number of food items in column I by using COUNTA function. So what is COUNTA function? COUNTA function counts the cell contain non-numeric values. This function counts cells contain text. Its syntax is similar to count function. You can see here count A is the name of function. In argument, range describes the non-numeric values of cell range. To calculate total number of food items, activate cell J37. In Formulas tab, click Insert function. Type count A function in search box. Click Go. Select the count A function from the list. Click OK. The function arguments dialog box opens. You have some instructions here. The count A function counts the number of cells in a range that are not empty, or that cell contains non-numeric values, or that cell contains text. In value 1 box, select the cell reference range. Click OK. You have 15 food items in cell J37. So 15 food items are sold on date 19 November 2018.